Welcome back for the second part of today's plane spotting. At AUS. Here comes a Southwest plane that just landed on the opposite runway. And here taxis in an American that also landed on the opposite runway. We've got a plane on lineup for the opposite runway.